form. Need to go to the gas station. The tune definitely didn't make it any better on fuel mileage. Not that it was that good before, but yeah. Andre, we made it. We didn't get like premium parking, but you know, we tried. Clean. We should do underglow.
What?
We should do underglow. Holy
what?
Shit. Underglow.
I need it.
Yo, C-Class boys. One day. One day, Andre.
Dude.
One day. Yes, sir. 203 gang. It's only 3 though.
203.
Shut up. Car's on blocks. Jack's out. It's gonna be fun. I got new tires. We had them on the Mark 7 GTI. I love them, so I got them on this. We're doing brake pads. Low car life. I might lower the rears a little bit today just because the car is gonna be up already. See about that. Got red EVC red stuff. Never had it. I'm gonna try it. I'll let you know how it goes. This thing with a battery was $100 and a charger. $100. Best tool. So got the front ones on. They went on easy. Fine. I come over here to the back. Yeah, they don't fit on my car, which is great. All because that little bump right there. Don't know why it has it, but it doesn't fit. So those getting returned. I had to figure something else. The rear brake pads are fine. This side, the stock ones are fine. These ones, though. Yeah, they were on the sensor. And then whoever had this car before pulled the sensor completely out of the whole thing, so it's not even there anymore. Because I assume they didn't want someone who's buying the car, me, to know that it needed brake pads. Time to go test it. I'm gonna go in my cul-de-sac. So my neighbors don't yell at me too much. Fucking hole. So far, just backing out. It's working, you know. The car stops when I go down the brakes. They do their job. Now let's see how well they do their job. A little explanation on the old brake pads. When I would, you know, brake from just doing like 60, they would start to shake the whole car because they would overheat. Just kind of shit in general. These already feel amazing. So, yeah. Starting off the day, pink milk, not chalky milk. This is better. Anyway, rotors. I need the rotor screws. They only sold them in packs of 20. So, this should be fun. Low boy line. So unlike the front rotors, I feel like I could work with this bolt. It doesn't look too bad. The ones in the front, completely gone. Kind of surprised. Even this car coming from Ohio. None of these bolts are seized, none of them are rusted. Don't mind that right there. Like the main ones though, they're all pretty pretty good. Also, I'm gonna probably lower the rear a little bit just while I have it up. Why not? Handy little trash can to hold the brake caliper. Now, I'm gonna try and get that out. Little shit. Big shit. Anyway. Where's the thing? Got the wrong tool the first time.
And broke both of them.
Yeah, it snapped in 0.2 seconds. Anyway. There we go. No snap titanium, right?
I hope so.
Non-AMG? AMG. You miss it? Hey, stop touching my hole.
I could finger your sunroof
Stop
now.
fingering my sunroof.
How
Hey,
the fuck did that happen?
these clips right here, they just snapped off. Yeah. So.
Oh, that looks like an easy fix though.
No, it's called ordering a new part.
Dude, what?
Yeah. But anyway, she's back.
She is. Oh, they all broke.
Yeah.
It's not like one or
No,
two.
no, no,
There's
no,
only
no.
one surviving.
Yeah. They literally all just snapped, and I'm like sick. So.
Why is there Velcro in here though? Was somebody hiding something back there?
I don't know.
You know, like this.
Possibly. It's a drug carrier. It's a Mercedes, I know.
It does tell you it's a Mercedes though.
I know. Genuine part. You know how much that was to get a new one?
How much?
40 bucks. German engineering.
I think mine hasn't broken yet. These are the...
Anyway, guess what? Any gas?
You have one.
Get fucked. Whipping your car today. 'Cause you don't want to drive.
We're going.
2.5 hour drive to Lancaster because we're doing things. We're doing cool things.
Stop! I just...
So
Like, situate
we'll like
myself
update
here.
them when we get there, right? Maybe this is why you
update
aren't
you.
driving.
Dude, I just want to sleep.
Alright. Good night.
My man couldn't get it on the dot.
Fucking tried,
What is that?
okay? V8, little pin.
Oh.
I need my car right now so I can taunt him with. Alright, so it got dark last night and we had to drive home in this. Well, at least I did. He came with me. But this is the new car. It's 2003 CLK 55. And I don't know if you've noticed yet, matching my C32. And then he's over here being a poser. Poser, fake AMG. Okay, partially AMG. We got the whole Benz squad. But dude, how was the 6 hours driving last night to get that? Worth it. 100% worth it. God damn. Biggest flex. Who would have thought? They got the smallest engine. Next biggest. What's that? That's a 2.5, 2.5, 3.2, 5.4. There's a big jump in the last two over there. A lot of Benzes. Have a whole car meet with just our cars. Alright, finish out the video. Do a little car update, because I know it's been a while. You saw the CLK, Mish. I'll go into detail with it further later, but cold start, stock exhaust. I think so. Let's find a tripod for this. That'll work. So this car has focus 142,000 miles. Right now it needs a sensor, a crank sensor, because when it gets warm it'll shut off. The engine will just shut off, but it'll still crank. So you know, I looked up the problem. That should be all it needs, but anyway, it was a good deal. It was fun. It matches that car. It also has these wheels that I'm going to get rid of, so that'll happen. Probably gonna get E550 wheels. I've seen that those look really good on this car. But other than that, it runs really well. It's really clean for what it was, and yeah, that's about it for that car.